And we're back to learning Illustrator in year day 71. Let me show you the reflect tool. I'll create a polygon. While I left click drag, I use the arrow keys down to have a triangle. Then we rotate it while holding shift. And a reflect tool can be found where the rotate tool is. Just right click on this box. You can see you get a rotation center yet again. And it's relatively hard to select it. But now I have it, I put it right here, and you can see I can rotate it over this new rotation center now. You can also hold Alt and then left click, it's gonna give you this menu, and it works just like the rotate tool. So you can use an angle, or you can just flip it here using vertical and horizontal. There's a copy option and an OK function. Personally, I think that this tool is quite fine, but it can also be a little bit glitchy and hard to use. So what I like to do is to simply right click on the object that I want to reflect, and then I use the transform option. So here you can access the same menu. And once you've done that, you can just reposition your objects. So instead of using the rotation center, just use guides and then create a specific point. And once you've done right click, transform, reflect, you simply reposition the object according to your guides. In most cases, I think that's the better and cleaner workflow. But obviously that's just my taste, maybe you like using the tool better. And these are the basics of the reflect tool in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.